Hey everyone, I'm Sairaj. Today is my fourth session submission. So I built MCP server called TraceLens. So have you ever come a document across the document back uh, and come to know that it has changed overnight? So I built this to track that changes. What are the changes made in that document and everything, so it can be used on every site to check the schematic world level difference and visual changes that are made in the website overnight or in an hour. So what this solves, the web is dynamic. Document changes time to time. They have to update their terms and services and everything. So and every solution, like, they require API keys and they only base line basis difference. So there is no version histories and everything. So this solves. It is 100% free, and it based on the word level schematic difference. It will check every schematic, like every HTML tags and every things, every paragraph, every line of the changes that are made in the website, and it will locally store that changes. It works with any MPC client and everything. So let me just uh, run this and let you know how this works. So I will just connect it. So it's running. Just a second. Yeah, it's running now. So it requires a query. So let me just copy the queries. So these are the some example queries. I'm gonna use the Rust to check Rust documents. So now list the tool. So web search, I'm gonna paste it. I'm gonna run it now. So as you can see, the tool called, yeah, here is the request. It is requesting for Rust programming language. It will get answers, as you can see. Yeah. So now there is another thing, how to, it will fetch the whole page. Now the second feature, if I paste the URL, it will fetch the data from that page. So I'm just gonna run this tool. As you can see, the tool is called here. Yeah, as you can see, it will send the response in JSON format. Now I'm gonna explain the whole project structure and how the user overflow gonna work. So as you can see, here is the complete workflow: user, client, server, and a web and a storage. So it act between client and the server. So it will use the LLMs and fetch this so MPC server. So as you can see, this is a query for the search, and the output will be in the JSON format, like the title and the URL and everything. So and here is a web page scraping. So I'm using something called, just a second, yeah, here it is. This is where the web scraping works, and this is the difference, and here is the dash. No, this one. So yeah, here is the difference. It will check the differences, what are the difference made in the previous and the present page. And yeah, this is all it does. And it has some interesting like 7 tools of this. So it can take the snapshots and compare them. So there is a UI renders. So here I'm using MPC inspector to check this my MPC server whether it's working or not. So you can use any of your Claude or your cursor client MPC. So I'm using here MPC inspector because it comes with this dashboard, unique dashboard and everything. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.